In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy text from LinkedIn. Whether you're saving valuable insights, crafting a report, or simply organizing your notes, mastering this simple skill can greatly enhance your productivity on LinkedIn. Let's walk through the steps together. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. You can easily do this by typing linkedin.com into the URL bar. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, it's time to log in. Depending on your preference, you can either sign in using your Google or Microsoft account, or simply use your email address and password. If you already have an account, you should be quite familiar with this process, but for newcomers, make sure your login details are handy. For those of you who have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account. This is done by sending a code to your phone number. Make sure to have your phone nearby and look out for the code. Enter it into LinkedIn's prompt to proceed securely to your account. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the post or text that you want to copy. It might be in your feed, or perhaps you've saved it in a folder. Go on ahead and find that text. Take your time to locate it. Once you've found the desired post or text, you'll want to select it using your mouse or trackpad. Click and drag over the text to highlight it. Make sure you get all the text you need. If you accidentally select too much or too little, don't worry. Simply adjust your selection until it's just right. With your text selected, it's time to copy it. If you're using a Windows computer, press the Ctrl and C keys simultaneously. For Mac users, press CMD and C together. This key combination is your shortcut to copying the highlighted text so that it's ready to be pasted elsewhere. Now that you've got the text copied, the next question is, where do you want to paste it? Head over to the location where you need this text. It could be a document, an email, or perhaps a note app. Once you're there, it's time to paste. For Windows users, press the Ctrl and V keys together. If you're on a Mac, it's CMD and V. Just like that, your copied text will appear where you need it. And there you have it. Copying text from LinkedIn is just as easy as that. By mastering this simple technique, you can streamline your workflow and gather information more efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your LinkedIn experience.